Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. I wish you all National Youth Day. Today, the special day, National Youth Day. Swami Vivekananda said, "Awake, arise, don't stop until you reached your goal. You should not stop until reach our goal." He has inspired us. He has given very motivational words to our youth, especially. Since today we have to remember Swami Vivekananda, the most important movement he has made it in his life. So, because of him, the youth is active so much in our India. We have a proper goal in our life. Without that goal, we don't know where we have to go. With the proper of goal, we can achieve our success. So that is the reason in our life, goal is very important. How to set goal in our life? That is very important. Each and every individual is different. There will be a dynamics of human behavior in all aspects. So each one is own heroes in their life. So everyone is unique. So that is the reason we have to create our goal in our life. That is very important. As per your views and thoughts, you have to set proper goal in our life. How to set goal, I would like to tell in this video. We have to set goal in a manner that should be a smart. What is the meaning of smart? Smart means specific, M means measurable, A means achievable, R means realistic, and T means time bound. Within the time bound, we have to achieve that goal. That should be realistic, that should be specific, that should be a time bound. Before that, what kind of goals we need to set in our life? That is very important. We should have three kinds of goal. One is short term goal, second one is mid term goal, and third one is long term goal. There are three specific goals we have to set in our life. That is very important. Your goal should be very big. Dr. Abdul Kalam was telling, small goal is a crime. We have to set in our life big goal. That should be a very big goal. For that, we have to day and night arise, awake, don't stop until you reach your goal. That is very important. Today, National Youth Day. All youth should be set goal in their life. Without goal, you won't be success, my dear friends. Today, who are all seeing this video, please set a proper goal in your life. This is the new year beginning. We are in the month of January. You have to set goals, short term goal, mid term goal, and long term goal. That should be a specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. You should know whether that goal should be achievable or not. Without that, you will be fail in your life. You are the creator and you are the destroyer in your life. So, my advice to all youth and my dear friends, goal is very, very important in your life. Without that, we don't know how to where we need to go. So that is the reason we should have a proper goal in our life. For that, after set a goal, we have to create interest towards about your goal. Day in day-to-day life, what happens? We have a procrastination in nature. What we'll do every day, we are postponing the jobs. We are neglect our day-to-day works. We are neglecting our goals. That should not be there. Every time we have to create our interest to achieve towards about our goal. For that, we require very good habits. We have to engage very good habits in our life. What are all the good habits in our life? Every morning we have to do yoga or meditation or physical exercises, and you should engage with study about good books. We have to engage with to learn the new things. Nowadays, what happens? Our youth should not take any risk in their life. Without taking the risk, definitely, obviously, we cannot able to success in our life, my dear friends. We should always take risks. Without taking risk, we can't achieve our success. Success is not easy. Success path is very difficult. We don't know what type of obstacles, what type of difficulties we may get in our life. We have to face all the difficulties or problems in our life. So what I am suggesting is here is there is no permanent in our life. Your problems also not permanent. Today you are happy and tomorrow you may unhappy. Life is like that. So we should not expect in our life that our life will be like that. My life will be very, very, very smooth. Don't expect that. Your life will be beautiful if you take risk and if you take problems and happy moments in the same manner. Then only your life will be very beautiful, and your goal, you can reach your goal. Once again, I would like to all the best all our youth, happy and prosperous National Youth Day. I hope this video have given clarity about what is goal, why goal is required in our life, what kind of goal we need to set in our life. That should be a smart basis. So if you would like to set proper goal in your life, you have to keep big goal in your life. Small goal is a crime. You should engage big goal in your life. For that, each and every day, each moment, you have to dedicatedly work out for to reach your goal. Once again, I would like to thank who have been subscribed to my channel and who have been motivated me to day to day giving very good videos. Please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar Kitty so that you will notified very good notifications, very good videos about LLB and motivational videos. Thank you.